Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of houseplants that will not only make your home feel more inviting but are also perfect for dorm rooms. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, these 6 easy care houseplants are sure to brighten up your space and might even help improve your grades. First up is the Chinese evergreen. This plant is known for its beautiful variegated leaves and incredible adaptability. It thrives in low-light conditions, making it perfect for dorm rooms with limited sunlight. Plus, it's super easy to care for. Just water it when the top inch of soil feels dry. Next, we have the Pothos. This trailing plant is a favorite among beginners due to its hardiness. It can tolerate low light and irregular watering. Hang it in a stylish planter or let it trail from a shelf for a touch of greenery that's both beautiful and low maintenance. For those who might forget to water their plants, cacti and succulents are your best friends. These drought-tolerant plants store water in their leaves and stems, meaning they can go weeks without needing a drink. They come in all shapes and sizes, adding a unique look to your space. The Sansevieria, also known as the snake plant, is another low-maintenance superstar. It can survive in low light and doesn't need frequent watering. Plus, it's an excellent air purifier, helping to keep your dorm room air clean and fresh. If you're looking for something with a bit more flair, the begonia maculata, or polka dot begonia, is a fantastic choice. Its striking leaves with silver spots make it a real eye-catcher. It prefers bright, indirect light and likes its soil to be kept slightly moist. Lastly, we have the Raven registered trademark ZZ plant. This plant is almost indestructible and perfect for dorm life. It tolerates low light, drought, and neglect. Its dark, glossy leaves add a touch of elegance to any room. What makes these plants perfect for dorm rooms? Well, they thrive in low light conditions, are drought tolerant, and many of them are excellent air purifiers. Plus, studies suggest that having plants around can improve cognition, learning, and memory, which might just give you that extra edge in your studies. Imagine coming back to your dorm room after a long day of classes to a space filled with lush green plants. Not only do they add a pop of color and life to your room, but they also create a calming, inviting atmosphere that's perfect for studying and relaxing. Ready to find the perfect plant for your dorm room? Check out our plant finder tool, link in the description below. Whether you're looking for something small and simple or a plant that makes a statement, we've got you covered. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on how to make your space more inviting with houseplants. Until next time, happy planting.